Good day, everyone. How you all doing? Hope you're doing well out there. Today we are going to learn how you do IfError function in Excel. So the first question is, what is an IfError function? An IfError function allows you to trap and handle errors in Excel. So if you have an IfError function, what it'll do is it'll return a specific value if your original formula returns an error. Otherwise, it'll return the actual value as well. So I suppose, what does that mean in practice? The easiest way is to watch and see it done. So let's just do a normal VLOOKUP we would. So let's VLOOKUP the age of this person and try and return the label. Okay, 4 and 2, and so we have returned this. Let's do it for them all. Okay, so for the first one, it actually found it. For the rest of them, it returned an error, it did. Okay, so we don't want this error. I would prefer this to be 0 if it doesn't return, if it returns an error. Okay, so we look at our formula here. Here's our VLOOKUP. So what we want to do here is we want to put another formula, and we want to nest the VLOOKUP inside our IfError. So we're going to go IfError, first bracket, then go to the last one, you go comma, because you want to end that. Then what you want to return is the next one. So in this case, I want to return a 0, and then go in bracket, and then go equals. Okay, so that was the first cell. Now let's drag it down for the rest of them, and happy days. It's returned a 0 for all of the ones that went into error. And it's as simple as doing that. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. And if you haven't already, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel as well. Okay, have a good day. Bye.